We're here with Boo from How To by Boo. How you doing today, Boo?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Pretty good. What have you been up to?
The same old shit, different day.
Same old shit. Like what?
Nothing really. Came and helped out my brothers do trees. Came to have dinner with my nephews. That's about it.
Sounds good. Why did you take on How To by Boo?
Well, my nephews wanted me to roll a cigarette and show them how to roll one, so I did.
That's it?
Yeah.
So with the recent success of the first episode, what are your plans for future?
Might do some beer pong, some boots, whatever they're called, them glass things, a Dodge boot, or Dosh, whatever you call it. And that's about it.
That's good. Well, we'd like to thank you for taking your time with us today.
Oh, thank you.
Would you like to say anything to your fans?
I don't know. Yeah, I'll say, fuck you.